Alright guys, welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you what Jumia affiliate marketing program is. So if you're new to this channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button as we dive straight into it right now. So guys, I want to tell you something. If you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you the best way to earn money by joining the Jumia affiliate marketing program. And if you're from Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, and the rest, you probably know that Jumia is an online shop where most Africans shop. Like, lots of transactions are being done on Jumia, and there's a way in which you can earn a commission by referring a sale, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in today's video. So what you want to do is you're gonna want to go to their website to join the affiliate program, and the name of the site is affiliates.jumia.com. so you click on affiliates.jumia.com. so it's going to bring this dashboard. It's going to bring it to this dashboard. So what you want to do is you want to sign up, right? So you click on sign up, and it's going to bring you to this next dashboard, right? So what you want to do here right now is to fill in your details, guys. Fill in your correct details here. Your first name, you write your first name, your last name, you do the same. You input your email address and your phone number. Also input your country, and this column for website. What you gonna do is, if you don't have a website here, if you have a website, you paste in your website here. If you don't have a website, what you can do is you can paste in your social media link. For example, you can paste in your Instagram handle here, or your Twitter link here, or your Facebook link here, or your YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel, you can paste the link here. So guys, so after you must have done that, you're gonna click on register, or you first agree to their terms. And guys, like I always say, make sure to read these terms and conditions. Make sure to always read and see what you are agreeing to, guys. Read these terms and conditions. And guys, like I said, stay with me to the end of this video. I'm going to show you the best way that you can earn money by joining this Jumia affiliate program. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to dive in straight to my dashboard, to my own dashboard. So as you can see right now, I've logged into my affiliate dashboard right now, and as you can see, this is the dashboard. So let me check and click on review and refresh so that you can see everything. So this is when you're new to the platform, you're probably not gonna see anything, but because I've been in this platform for a few days, and I've been able to make few sales right now for joining Jumia marketing, affiliate marketing, and that's why I'm bringing this opportunity to you. So if you have a website, you can also use this Jumia affiliate marketing program to earn money. Like I said, I'm going to show you now the exact way I've been able to implement this implement this using the Jumia affiliate marketing program. So what you want to do is you click on link builder. So after clicking on link builder, you select your country. So I'm from Nigeria, I choose Nigeria right up. So it's gonna bring in this page, like this page. This is where you arrange your affiliates. So what you want to do is you go to the Jumia website, like the direct Jumia website. So I'm logging into Jumia website right now. So I've logged into Jumia website. So as you can see, this is all the available products they have on their website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a specific product. I'm going to pick this product. Let me say this 2020 men's sandals. Okay, I'm going to pick this product right now. So as you can see, I picked this product. Okay, it said ship from abroad. No, let me choose another product. Okay, so let me say I choose this Journey phone, smartphone. So I choose this product right now. So let's say now I have somebody my friend that wants to buy a smartphone. So I can come to Jumia here, pick the smartphone that he or she wants to buy, get the link. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link, the whole link here. I'm going to copy everything. As you can see, I've copied the link. So I copied the link. There is a link to this page. I go back to my affiliate dashboard. So this place I through Jumia URL page. Also, what I want to do here, I'm going to paste in that link I just copied. I just paste in that link, and this place said sub affiliate. I'm just going to write my name, King Obinna. So I've created the sub affiliate King Obinna. As you can see, it automatically generated this long URL for us to use. So this is the URL we're going to copy and share to the person, our friend or whosoever that wants to buy that product. And when he or she clicks the link and buys that product or that phone, we gain a commission. So as you can see, this URL is very long, and it's not very appealing. This is very long, and you can't send me this kind of long URL and expect me to click on it to see, so because it's very long. So what I usually do is I go to a website called bit.ly. So I'm on the website right now. So if you don't have an account yet, it will ask you to create an account, but because I have an account, it's gonna probably load up. Yes, it has loaded up to my account. So what I want to do is I come to this place, I copy this long URL. So I've copied the long URL. I go back to bit.ly and click on create. So I'm going to shorten this link. What this bit.ly does is that it shortens the link and makes it more beautiful and more clickable. So I shortened the link. So I'm going to paste in that long link I just copied. Okay, so I pasted the link. So it has shortened the link for us. As you can see, this is the short version of the link, and I can also go ahead to customize the link to whatever I want. So I can come to this place and remove this and remove what it wrote here and write and type in something like buying something like super smartphone. So I type in something like super smartphone, and I love giving my links a title so that I could always track each and every one of them. So I can say this is test 1. So I've written it. So I'm going to probably save it right now. So I'll save it. So the link is being saved. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link right now. So I copied it. I open a new tab and paste in that link I just copied, to see if it's actually working, and click on it. So guys, as you can see, it brings me straight to this dashboard, and whenever somebody clicks this link and comes to this dashboard and makes this purchase, guys, you earn commission. The commission starts from 11%, 5%, 10%. You earn a commission for any purchase that is made through your affiliate link, guys. So what I usually do now, this is strategy that I do, and I want you to do this as well. So what I usually do is that I come here, I get this link. I know that lots of people, during some kind of period, people want to buy, some kind of product. So when especially when they were during this when there was lockdown, some people wanted to buy face masks and the rest of them. So I come here, I get face masks, I post it on my WhatsApp status, and whenever somebody clicks the link and comes to the website, he or she makes the purchase, and the rest will be done by Jumia. Just what you have to do is get this link, shorten the link, promote your link on your social media handle, on your website, and the rest of them, and whenever someone purchases using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. So guys, I'm sure you're enjoying this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up also, and encourage me to do more video by liking this video. And if you have any question, I'll gladly recommend that you read it up in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video, where I'm going to show you exactly everything you need to know about this platform and the rest of the things. So guys, be sure to subscribe if you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.